For throwers who want to increase their velocity, whether you're a pitcher, position player, quarterback, softball position player, whatever it may be, you're an overhead throwing athlete trying to increase your velocity. Here's the main components that every hard thrower, generally speaking, has. So let's say you take a pitcher throwing 95 to 100, quarterback that's on a max effort throw, throwing 60, 65 miles an hour, right? Or a outfielder throwing 100 miles an hour. Here's some of the key components. Number one we're going to start off with is the lead leg block. This is essential for stopping that momentum. The back leg, the drive leg is like the gas pedal, and that front leg, that lead leg is like the brakes, right? So it's like if I wanted to project myself through a windshield as fast as I could, I would rev up the gas and slam on the brakes. That's essentially how your lower half works. Then you have hip to shoulder separation. That's the second main key component. Your hips have to come before your shoulders come. So you create that torque. You create that lag with your upper body. Your hips, your belt buckle comes through first, and then your shoulders come through. The next thing is layback. How much your arm lays back, external rotation. The farther it lays back, the more range of motion you have to work through during the throw. The longer range of motion we have to work through, the longer essentially the runway that we have to take off with, the more force we'll be able to apply to the baseball, football, softball, whatever you're throwing. There's 4 key components in training that you need to look at as well. Mobility. To be able to get into these positions, external rotation, hip to shoulder separation, you need good mobility, especially through the thoracic spine, in the shoulder, and there's a lot of different components of mobility that you need to maximize your velocity. Then you have strength, right? Strength / power. That's, in the weight room generating a lot of force, whether it's a squat, whether it's a bench press, dumbbell bench press, whether it's, RDL, whatever the lift is, the more force, raw force we can generate, the better. Then you have plyometrics. That's transitioning that raw strength into on-field power. That's kind of the bridge, plyometrics, right? Jumps, sprints, ballistic exercises like med ball throws, really transferring that total force that we can generate from a squat and then enhancing the rate of force development with the plyometrics, the ballistic exercises. Then you have the biomechanics part. You want to move efficiently. You want to get your body into positions to maximize your levers, maximize your range of motion. Then we have arm care as well. We have to take care of our arm. The healthier our arm feels, naturally your body will let your arm move faster. And the other thing is you're not going to be able to throw 100 miles an hour if you are hurt. That's obvious.